Hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having a freaking fantabulous day today. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. Today we're going to be looking at Orly Birds of Prey limited edition collection, and it comes with 3 polishes. Kind of a hot pink, more like a cross between a hot pink and a Barbie pink. I think 2 creams. This one is called Mind Over Mayhem. And it's a really pretty pink. Like I said, a cross between a hot pink and a Barbie pink. Decided to put white behind it just, you know, just so you could see better. And then it is completely opaque in 2 coats. And it is really bright. It's really, really pretty. Next up, we have Freaking Fantabulous, which it really is a freaking fantabulous glitter here. It has got regular hot pink glitters in there, and then there's, it's not hot pink so much as it's like just a pink, and then there is hot pink holographic glitters in there, and a blue shimmer running through it. So it's really, really pretty. But the main color in there is the darker pink. But this glitter, this is the 3rd coat, and yeah, you'd really, really have to be building it up. You'd probably have to go for 5 or 6 coats to get it fully opaque. So it is definitely a topper glitter. Or use sponge. I certainly will later. But yeah, that's just a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And then next up, we have the yellow cream called Emancipate This. And this yellow is a cross between a neon yellow and a regular yellow. It is a really pretty, bright color, but it's not like, out there in your face. Unless you get it in the sun and then it's like, boom, wow. But it doesn't have any of the green or anything in it that a normal like neon yellow would have. But completely opaque in 2 coats. That is Emancipate This. And I thought, since this was such a short video, because there was only 3 polishes to swatch and review, I do a quick little nail art for you. And in the tradition of Harley Quinn, I thought I would just do something a little funky and a little out there for this nail art. I'm just doing 1 coat real quick of freaking Fantabulous, and then I'm going to sponge it on so I can get a completely opaque completely opaque. We're just going to speed it up so it goes a little faster here. Dang, look at me go. And then I always do, whenever I sponge glitters on, I always do a top coat of the glitter itself. Do a little cleanup with my thumb. Pretty, pretty. And I got some striping tape out, and I'm just gonna put a few stripes on there. Kind of section it off a little bit. You see my nippers there that I have, and I don't know, it's just something that I use for a little trick. When they go bad, I go ahead and put some red polish on the handles so that I know that that's the bad one. Don't use it for any cuticle work. And then I easily know exactly which one I should grab or not grab if I want to cut striping tape or try and remove some gems. I'm just using the bottom of the brush to push that tape down and make sure it's completely solid. And now I have Emancipate this. I'm just kind of randomly filling in some of the boxes. Just trying to be kind of random and not getting anything too perfect. And going in with some of that pink, mine over Mayhem. Filling in another box or two. You definitely don't have to fill in all the boxes. And here I'm coming in with a second coat. Pretty pretty, maybe pretty. And then next you gotta make sure that you pull the tape off before the second coat is dry, but I really don't let the first coat dry all the way before I do the second coat. And then you're gonna get the little strips in between. Pretty. So I let it dry and then I put a thin coat of the, oh, what is it? The No Smudge Top Coat from Maniology. I put that on there so that just in case any of that was maybe a little wet, I didn't want the yellow or pink to smudge all over the place. And I have these cute Swarovski crystals that match that freaking fantabulous nail polish just perfectly. So, but I didn't have any smaller ones. I wish I had smaller ones. But I went ahead and just kind of put them all over the place. And there's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a like. And I hope you enjoyed the nail polishes. Let me know which one's your favorite. And if you want to see me again, please subscribe. And I will see you later. Bye.